Welcome back. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has chaired a crucial meeting of the Cabinet Committee on Security to take stock of the situation unfolding in Bangladesh. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Research and Analysis Wing Chief Ravi Sinha and Intelligence Bureau Director Tapan Deka. As you can also see on your screen, the images, they all attended the high-level huddle that was called by the Prime Minister last night. The meeting followed the NSA Ajit Doval's meeting with Sheikh Hasina at the Hindon Air Base, where she is currently at, after which he briefed the Prime Minister, Home Minister and also the Raksha Mantri. But let's explain why India is wary of the unrest in Bangladesh. Hasina's presence in India, in fact, may complicate relations with the new dispensation in Bangladesh. And after all, Bangladesh's opposition is not as favorably disposed towards India as Hasina was. The new dispensation stand on Hindu minorities in Bangladesh may also have a bearing on the ties between Bangladesh as well as India. Now, India has also upped its guard in view of the political flux in the neighborhood. BSF has issued a high alert along India-Bangladesh border, and flights and trains to the crisis-ridden country have also been curtailed. Now, security has also been upped at Bangladesh High Commission in Delhi. Have a look at this report.
This is the office of Bangladesh High Commission, and here you can see that the barricades have been put at gate number 1, in fact at both the sides, keeping in mind the security and the kind of situation that Bangladesh is going through right now. The situation over there is very much critical, very volatile, and the police personnel have also been deployed over here, and this particular area from where the vehicles are passing, this area has been as of now cordoned off. Bangladesh High Commission.
Well, back home, politics has sparked off with the opposition taking a veiled dig at the Prime Minister. Mehbooba Mufti's daughter's post shows 2022 Sri Lanka crisis with protesters swimming in President's pool. She asks, does LKM, that is Lok Kalyan Mark, have swimming pool as well? Kejriwal and Akhilesh Yadav's parties have also both said that all dictatorships will in fact come to an end. Listen into what Aam Aadmi Party's Sanjay Singh had to say on this.
देखिए, ये इस बात का संकेत है कि तानाशाही जो है वो किसी भी देश में अच्छी बात नहीं है। वहाँ भी इसी तरीके से विपक्ष के लोगों को पकड़ पकड़ के जेल में डाला गया। जो चुनाव हुआ था वहाँ आपने देखा ही था कि कैसे चुनाव हुआ था, सारे विपक्ष ने बायकॉट किया था। तो मुझे लगता है ये एक सबक है पूरी दुनिया के लिए कि ऐसे जो शासन है वो ज़्यादा लंबे चलते नहीं।
This, we are heading to a short break. On the other side, we'll get you more updates on the Bangladesh crisis. Stay with us.